Psalm 99. All are invited to rejoice in God, the Creator of all. Sing joyfully to God, all the earth. Serve ye the Lord with gladness. Come in before his presence with exceeding great joy. Know ye that the Lord, he is God. He made us, and not we ourselves. We are his people, and the sheep of his pasture. Go ye into his gates with praise, into his courts with hymns, and give glory to him. Praise ye his name, for the Lord is sweet. His mercy endureth forever, and his truth to generation and generation.